Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA iX6820 printer software on your Windows or Mac computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA iX6820 support, and best result should say Canon.com, Canon support for PIXMA iX6820. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and select software and drivers. Select the correct operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, if it's not already detecting it. And then just go down a little bit further and select the full driver and software package. Select download. Give us a moment. And once the download is finished, looks like about 50 megabytes in size, go ahead and open up that file. It should say Canon Online Master Setup, Verify Publisher, Canon Inc. Select Yes. You can close out of the web browser at this time if you choose. And you can see PIXMA iX6800 series printer. Network setup is required when using the printer via LAN connection. If the setup is already completed, the connection is confirmed automatically. If the setup is not completed, follow the on-screen instructions to set up the printer. You can select whether to use this printer via USB connection or LAN connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to select the connection method. Select Next. And you can select network connection or USB connection, whatever your preference is, and you would just select that from the list. Software installation list, you can select as many or as few of these items as you want, and then you would select next, and you agree to license terms, and then select next again, and then let this finish installing here. And now at this point, they'd ask you to turn on the printer to finally connect it. And hopefully at this point, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.